How to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just click on any of the chat from where you want to delete the conversations both ways. So once you're inside here, now all you have to do is just select any of the messages that you want to send or that you had sent and now you want to delete it. Just select that particular message, and you can also select the particular message of other person from which you want to delete the message. So as you can see, I've selected one message from myself and one message from the other person. So now I'll just click on this delete button over here, and you can see the option called delete for me, but you cannot actually delete it for the particular person that is from whom the message was sent to us. So as you can see, it's now currently deleted for me on my device, but it's actually not deleted for their device. And you may also see the latest message, and when you long press on any of the latest messages, you can just tap on this delete button over here and it says delete for everyone. So when you tap on this delete for everyone, that means it is deleted for that person as well. When you try to basically delete their message just like this, it will only be deleted for you, so it will not be deleted for them. To delete that from their side, you have to ask them to delete it completely from their side, from their account as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.